Thank you for liking my last video that was on the topic words and sentences. And today I have got types of sentences for you, and that is for class 4th. So what are sentences? You must be clear about words and sentences by now, right? So sentences are the group of words that are arranged in the proper order and it makes sense. This is known as a sentence. Okay, so there are mainly 4 types of sentences. We are talking about the types of sentences in this topic. So there are 4 types of sentences. What are these? Declarative or assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. First we will discuss about the declarative sentence. Declarative sentence, the other name of declarative sentence is an assertive sentence. It is also known as assertive sentence. So if we say assertive, then also it means declarative. We are talking about the declarative sentence. Alright. So what is a declarative means? Declarative means to declare, that is to simply say or state something. In the same way, assertive also means the same, that is spoken in a confident way. Like that I am declaring that this house is mine. Okay. So this type of sentences, this house is mine, is a type of declarative sentence. Or I am the boss of this house. So it is a declaration. So it will be considered in the category of declarative sentence. Alright. Let's take some examples. This mango is sweet. This black pen is mine. I like ice cream. So in all these sentences, I am talking in a very confident way, or I am declaring something, that this mango is sweet, this black pen is mine, I like ice cream. I am declaring in these sentences. So it will be considered as a declarative sentence, or we can say assertive sentence. One and the same thing. Alright. Now next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative, as the name suggests, interrogation. Okay. A sentence that asks a question. Interrogation, what does interrogation means? Interrogation means to ask a question. Like police interrogates the thief. So interrogate means to ask question. So in what type of sentences are interrogative type? In which the question is being asked. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? Do you like mango? So all these type of sentences will come under interrogative sentence. Alright. Now moving further. Third type of sentence is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence can be categorized into 4 types, like order, entreaty, request and suggestion. So what is order? Order is to give an order. Simply it is an order, like we give an order to someone for something. So it is the sentence that has that thing is known as imperative sentence of order type. Next is entreaty. And what does entreaty mean? Entreaty is a humble request or an urgent prayer. Okay. And what is a request? Request is to ask politely or to ask formally. So what is the difference between entreaty and request? Entreaty is a humble request. Mainly what is entreaty? What are the types of sentences that comes under this category is the request to God. Mainly these requests to God or something urgent prayer, humble request, all these sentences come in this category of entreaty. Right? Next is request. Request is to ask politely. To use words like please or kindly, these sentences will come into this category of request, imperative type of sentence, and the category will be request. Then fourth is the suggestion. Suggestion is to propose. Okay, we will take the examples. In order type, for example, keep quiet. Stop writing now. Come and sit here. Open the door. So in all these sentences, we are ordering something to someone. So these types of sentences will come into the category of order type of imperative sentence. Entreaty, God may have mercy on us. May God bless you. So all these type of sentences will come under imperative sentence in the entreaty category. Then request, please give me a pen. Kindly sit there. Please come here. All these type of sentences will be imperative sentence of request category. Then suggestion, let me help you. Let him go back to his own country. Stop, you must not go any further. In this type of sentence, see, stop, you must not go any further. So in this particular type of sentence, what is this? It is a suggestion because the word must is written. If there is no must written in this sentence, then it will be converted into an order. Okay. So all these type of sentences will come under imperative type of sentence. And if we are asked what category it will fall, then we can categorize into these 4 categories. Okay. Now fourth and the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence which expresses some strong feeling or emotion is known as an exclamatory sentence. Right? For example, how beautiful the day is, how sweet the mango is, what a discovery Columbus made, what a terrible accident that was. So it is a strong feeling or an emotion that is coming out. So all these type of sentences in which strong feeling is being described is known as exclamatory type of sentence. Alright. Now points to note. First point is a command ends with a full stop. If we are ordering something, then the sentence will end with a full stop. An exclamation ends with an exclamation mark. What is an exclamation mark? This mark is known as an exclamatory mark or an exclamation mark. Then a statement ends with a full stop. Statement, assertive sentence or a declarative sentence, it ends with a full stop. And a question ends with a question mark. We have already discussed this thing in the last video, words and sentences, right? So it ends with the question ends with a question mark, this one, right? Now quick recap. Types of sentences, there were 4 types of sentences: declarative and assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Okay, declarative or assertive, one and the same thing, like Sarah likes to read this book. Interrogative, who took my pen? Then question mark should be there. Imperative, give me your book. It is an order, give me your book. Exclamatory, we won the race. It is a strong feeling that we won the race. Okay. So children, I hope everyone has understood this chapter. Okay, if anyone is having any problem regarding this chapter, please leave or please share your thoughts with me, and you can leave your comment in the comment section. I will try to solve all your queries. Thank you.